Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve server error on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve server error on Clash of Clans app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to the window of Clash of Clans. Here you can click on force stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. And you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.